today we're going to be talking about Medisafe. Medisafe is a tracking app for your medications, and it also sends you reminders on when to take your medications, your different dosages, and how often to take it. So I have two here that I take. I take just a generic like Zyrtec and Strattera. And so you can actually hit the little plus in the top right corner and add medications, and you just type in the medication name. And sometimes it'll ask for a brand, and then it'll ask for the dosage. So I think I have this one. It's twice a day. So it's one, I usually take 2 sprays. It's 1 to 2 sprays. I usually go on the higher end. So one at 7, and the second spray at like 10, because that's when I usually wake up for work, or days I'm off, what time I go to bed. I don't want to set treatment duration because I'm on it all year long. Add instructions, not really any instructions, I go with it. You can change the med icon to any of these different colors and whatnot. I keep it as a nasal spray, and you want this to like look like what you're taking. So I take a nasal spray. I'm gonna leave it as white. The bottle's white, so I'm just gonna leave it as white. I'm gonna add another one. I take this generic Flonase. Once a day. I'll take that at 7. We're going to change it. This is also a nasal spray, so I'm going to go back to the nasal spray, but it's a brown bottle. So I'm going to change that color. So now I have all my medications. You're going to allow notifications. So now that you get notifications sent to your phone. You can also add a dependent if there's somebody you want to track their medication intake. It'll let you know when they miss a dose. And you can also add a diary entry, add a dose, medication. There's different updates. There is a critical notification now, which is pretty cool. But also you can put in appointments, you can put in your doctors, and you can track your health through like My Health or your Apple Watch or Fitbit. And this can also be used and be sent to your doctors, which is really cool. But this is Medisafe, and it's great for just keeping not only track of your medications, but the medications of maybe a loved one, a child, a parent who may have cognitive decline and maybe forget to take medication. So this is great for reminders.